In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export your video after you are finished editing in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So I have here my video and I'd like to go ahead and export it to my computer. To export or to download your work after finishing, head over to export here and then click on it. And from here, you'll have quite a number of presets. You can change your video resolution. You can also change even the quality from medium to high or vice versa. Once you're done, now go ahead and click on export. And here you can see the estimate size of your file. So if you go ahead and click on export, this will take you to this page where you have either to make a purchase or download a free version that will have watermark. Now, because I don't have a paid account, I'll go ahead and export with watermark. And this will go ahead if I click on it and begin the rendering process. And this should take just some few seconds and it should be done. This export process is usually faster and quick. So within a moment, it should be done. And here we go. It is done. Now from here, if you go to your computer, you should be able to see the downloaded file. You can now open it. So that's how you can download or export your video from Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.